How can I prevent my parents from seeing what I do online when connected to Wi-Fi?
Hello there. Welcome to this video where we'll discuss how you can protect your online privacy from your parents when connected to Wi-Fi. It's important to have a sense of privacy while using the internet, and in this video, I'll provide you with some tips and techniques to help you maintain your privacy. So, let's get started.
Understand your network.
The first step is to understand the basics of your home network. Identify the router your Wi-Fi is connected to. Usually, it's a small box provided by your Internet Service Provider, ISP. Knowing this will help you in the later steps.
Use private browsing modes.
Most modern web browsers offer a private browsing mode that can help you maintain your online privacy. These modes are often referred to as incognito mode or private mode. When using this mode, your browsing history, cookies, and other temporary data won't be saved. However, it's important to note that private browsing doesn't hide your activities from your Internet Service Provider or network administrator.
Utilize virtual private networks, VPNs.
Virtual private networks, or VPNs, can be a powerful tool to enhance your online privacy. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server located in a different geographic location. This can help conceal your online activities from your parents or anyone else on the same network. There are various VPN services available, both free and paid. Make sure to choose a reputable VPN service that prioritizes user privacy and has a strict no-logs policy.
Change DNS settings.
Domain Name System, DNS, is like the phone book of the Internet, translating domain names into IP addresses. By changing your DNS settings, you can route your Internet traffic through a different DNS server, which can offer additional privacy and security benefits. There are public DNS services available, such as Google DNS and Cloudflare DNS. By using these alternative DNS servers, your parents won't be able to see the specific websites you visit by inspecting the DNS logs.
Encrypt your connection with HTTPS.
When browsing websites, make sure to look for the padlock icon or https:// in the URL. This indicates that the connection between your device and the website is encrypted. HTTPS encrypts the data you send and receive, making it more difficult for others to eavesdrop or track your online activities. By using websites that support HTTPS, you can add an extra layer of privacy to your browsing.
Use secure messaging apps.
If you want to have private conversations with friends or others, it's essential to use secure messaging apps. These apps use end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only the intended recipients can read the messages. Popular examples include Signal, Telegram, and WhatsApp, with end-to-end encryption enabled. By using secure messaging apps, you can have peace of mind that your conversations are kept private. That brings us to the end of this video on how to protect your online privacy from your parents when connected to Wi-Fi. Remember to utilize private browsing modes, consider using a VPN, change your DNS settings, ensure the websites you visit use HTTPS, and use secure messaging apps for private conversations. By following these tips, you can take steps towards maintaining your online privacy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Stay safe and take care.